Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make some cool animal cake designs. Start with some buttercream icing and food colouring. We're making 3 different shades of orange. Perfect! Get your plain vanilla cake, slice off the top and slice in half. Then pop on some plain buttercream icing, spreading it evenly and closing it up. Then on the top and around the edge, smoothing it out. Now use a skewer to mark some indents for the border of the face and pipe on your orange buttercream icing. We've got 3 different piping nozzles to create different textured effects. This is going to be the fox's face. And it's looking like fur. Amazing! Now with some cocktail sticks to stick on 2 pieces of triangular fondant icing as ears. Piping on some dark orange buttercream icing along the edge of each ear, a black fondant nose and eyes. Next, get 2 bowls of buttercream icing and pop some different food colouring in each. One is going to be pale yellow and the other caramel colour. Now let's layer up a basic vanilla cake with the yellow buttercream icing. Coating the outside and smoothing it down. Excellent! Time to pipe on your caramel-coloured buttercream icing, creating a border around the edge. Now we're going to make the fur effect for the lion's mane. Yes, this is going to be a lion cake. All the way round. Double layer going on there. That's going to be the top. Stick on some fondant ears, fondant nose and mouth, and fondant eyes. And there you have a lion cake. Now we want 3 different coloured buttercream icings, pink, green and black. Pop those into some piping bags, get your vanilla cake and layer on some plain buttercream icing first of all. Again coating the outside of the cake. Creating a smooth surface to work with. Now using a narrow piping nozzle we're creating a rose out of pink buttercream icing. 1 layer at a time. Look at that! Amazing! Right, let's pipe on some white buttercream icing to make sheep's wool, because this cake is going to be a sheep. All the way around the sides. Very woolly. And on the top. Leaving a space for the face, stick on some fondant ears. A bit more buttercream icing goes on there on the top. And your fondant rose, let's put a few of them on in fact. Using green buttercream icing for the leaves. So this sheep has a beautiful headband made of flowers. Now let's pipe on some icing for the eyes, a fondant heart nose, and piped on mouth. Ah, look at that wonderful cute sheep. A gorgeous fox and a roaring lion. Amazing! So, you have a boring vanilla cake and don't know what to do with it? We've just given you 3 fantastic ideas. Give it a go!